Thank you, Dr. Suketu. Welcome everybody to this unique webinar. We are in some uncertain times, a little bit anxious, all of us. We don't know what is going to happen, and we have been flooded with the flurry of webinars on the subject of ophthalmology and also on the subject of coronavirus and COVID-19. So at this juncture, we thought, as Rajkot Ophthalmic Society thought, that we should gather the experience of all the greats from Gujarat. So we have collected 5 of them with a large amount of experience between them. In fact, I was calculating everyone here has an experience in ophthalmology of 35 years or so, and some of them even 40 or 45 years. So without wasting much time, I'll introduce my first speaker for the day today, Dr. Madhvi Sheth from Baroda. She is the first vitreoretinal surgeon of Baroda, has been in ophthalmology for more than 30 years, and has set up retina service in many trust hospitals. The great part about Dr. Madhvi Sheth is she has a great sense of humor, always laughing, joking, in spite of many personal issues with her. And she adores dogs. And it will be surprising for many of us to know that she has actually helped design intraocular lenses for dogs. And she has developed fundus cameras, ERGs and USGs for the animals as such, especially for dogs. She worked on primary retinal atrophy, RP-like syndrome in dogs. Additionally, she is qualified with a degree in law, and she has been a real all-rounder in her younger days in singing and sports. Her daughter is a well-known hepatologist in Toronto, actually doing COVID duty right now. And as she tells us, she's not in the rat race. She lives her life to the fullest. She'll be telling us some light-hearted lessons from the lockdown to start this seminar on a light and positive note. Over to Dr. Madhvi Sheth. Actually, she wanted me to use this picture for her profile. I said that'll be too much, so I stuck to this original picture.
That one is 2 years old. Good morning, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Very much. Yeah, your screen is on.
So what a lovely morning this is. I love being the first. I get to set the mood. I get to set the bar, and let's have some fun. It is a short talk because I imbibed only about 1 lesson per week of lockdown. Thank God. The longer it goes, the more we are in trouble. And for all my babies who are logged online, my daughter, Aditi, Kinjal, Pinku, if you're there, let us start with the basics. What is the definition of lockdown? Lock up is when you're in police custody. Lock down is when you are in the custody of your spouse, Bicharo Jagdeep. And the rest of us are lucky. Lesson number 1. I'm just going to read them out. I'm hoping to have lots and lots and lots of comments on chat, and let us just fry Mukesh's brain for bringing me onto this. There are so many ways of wearing a mask. Mask pehne India. And oh my God, it seems to be working. Look at the global statistics. This is our O2 delivery guys, and look at their mask. And I actually wrote to the Times of India saying, hello, the rest of the world is talking about masks, but shouldn't we talk about spitting? I mean, what is more important, a breath or a spit? Thank God we don't kiss in public. And thank God COVID doesn't go through number 2. So, Mask Pehne India, I'm sure you all have your own mask compilations. Do share them with us. Lesson number 2. Gujjus love diyas, Gujjus love garba. Internship ma ame loko ORS sikhwadwa gamde jaiye with Sridhar and Manjusha. So we used to sing this. Ek loto pani lo, jinchik jinchik jinchik, ema chapti meethu nakho, jinchik 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 jinchik, ardi chamchi limbu nakho, tut 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 thodi, ema khand nakho. The point of this slide is Divo to hame lagadyo. डांस भी हमें કર્યો પણ રાજકોટ વાળા કેમ ઊંઘી ગયા હતા? Do you remember that favorite incident in Rajkot when out on the street બહેનો બધી તપેલા પહેરીને માથા પર ટન 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 હેલ્મેટ નહીં પહેરીએ તો ગરબા રમવાતા ને ત્યારે? Okay, now this is me doing my garba for Modi and my diya for Modi. And I got so carried away કે વાઇબ્રેશન થી કોરોના જતું રહે છે તો હું બી ગાવા લાગી. Go RD go 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 PDR go 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 ROP go 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 AMD go go, and believe me Mukesh, 24 માર્ચ પછી એક RD જોયું નથી. Try it. Lesson number 3. Emergency means different things to different people. આપણને ચાર્ટ તો મોકલ્યો કે આને ઇમરજન્સી કહેવાય, પણ તમે પેશન્ટને ચાર્ટ મોકલ્યો કોઈએ? હેલો, હા મેડમ, સેલ્વિનની મમ્મી બોલું. Oh, I saw your 15 missed calls. How can I help you? Ma'am, you remember Selvin? Selvin, why you operated him 5 years ago? No, he had RD. Ah, yes. How can I help? Ma'am, he's in Toronto, Hamna, and he is getting leg cramps. Nothing will happen to his retina, no? Ring. Hi, Mom. Arey, tu Maushila phone nahi kela? Masa is having watering in his eye, the one that was operated for cataract. You have to see him. Acha, when was he operated for cataract? Oh, beta, 3 years ago. She's been calling you non-stop. You are cutting her calls. So the lesson learned was, do not say you are attending to emergencies. Just say you are available 9 to 11. You decide about the emergency, okay? Patients do not know. Lesson number 4. The bathroom is a very important room. First of all, I would like this slide to be a tribute to my grandmother who we lost at 98 in December. A healthy 98, I must say. She was one of the most gifted and most inspiring singers. Now remember, I have her genes, so I sing. I sing in the bathroom. I sing beautifully. If your loved ones are singing in the bathroom, if you are singing in the bathroom, get into karaoke. There's no COVID, there's no pandemic, there's nothing to worry about, no depression. And let this be a reminder, everybody log on to Sangeet Setu, vote for our own Jignesh, retinal surgeon, MNJ Institute, Jignesh Gosai, amazing singer, 300 songs on Smule. Good luck. Lesson number 5. There is a quota for everything. Don't get me wrong. Western philosophy tells you, the sky is the limit. Ask and it is given. Dream and you can achieve. આપણા ગુરુઓ શું કહે છે, જગદીપ? वक्त से पहले तकदीर से ज्यादा ना किसी को मिला है ना किसी को मिलेगा. रिक्शा के पीछे पूछ लो, वो भी बोलेगा सही बात है मैडम. अपने को ऐश्वर्या से शादी करनी है, मुमकिन थोड़ा है. You can dream all you like, it's never going to happen. So I thought, what these housewives are cribbing. Arey, I can cook, Yan can cook, Sanjeev Kapoor, Tarla Dala, look what lovely dishes I prepared. And I shared these photos with my family. But oh boy, there comes an enough moment and hello, I'm done. And that is when I learned the most important lesson. There is joy in Maggi noodles. There is joy in banana, soul food. So I now have developed a new hobby. Remember, one should always let the soul evolve. I collect recipes. The ones with the photos are the best. Why was this lesson very difficult for me? Because I relearned it. Arvind during fellowship, itlo badho bhat khado. Oh boy, very good sambar, very good sambar. Ek varash sudhi after fellowship, I have not been able to touch rice. Now we are back to normal. Lesson learned. Lesson number 6. There really is something like a past life, especially you non-believers in God. When we are free, we play with the nosebook, as Esther calls it. I follow Esther Hicks. I'm a huge fan. So she calls it the nosebook. It's popularly known as the Facebook. I mean, Navrata, એટલે I clicked on a Facebook quiz that says, what animal were you in your past life? And woo, I got this amazing photo, silverback gorilla, protector of the clan. Wow, sharing, shouldering the responsibility of the clan. And I was just planning a trip to Congo when I entered this Zoom meeting with Dr. Dhananjay Shukla, the drop dead, handsome Boston Marathon runner. Are you here with us, Shukla? I'm a huge fan. I was with him in a Zoom class and I realized, no, we are donkeys. Retinal surgeons cannot be gorillas, we are donkeys. Why? કેવી રીતે વાત કરી? અરે મુકેશ, શું આઈડિયા આવ્યું તું? થર્ડ ટાઈમ તો સેટલ થઈ જ ગયું. Now imagine, would Jagdeep or Dr. Kakadia say, શું કેટરેક્ટ આવ્યો તો બાપુ, 3 વાર ફેકો કર્યું, IOL મસ્ત સેટ થઈ ગયો છે? No way. We are the donkeys of the universe. Lesson learned. Lesson number 7. Everyone has talent. Everyone. Even very modest souls like me, I found we are talented. I did my dog's haircut. Can you see that frazzled, jazzy look? I saved $1,200 on that. And this here on the right, it shows my attempt at eco printing. Third attempt, I got a faint eco print. I read these big books that I can show off about after having read Shantaram 7 years ago. I made mobile holders out of toilet rolls for all my friends. And I did gardening. You can see the dust on my nose, how I enjoyed it. Why? So go find your talents and share them with us. This is the time. This is the time we've all been asking for. Lesson number 8. Oh, documentation can be fun. Not the way the biggies talk about it and they'll all be talking. It's all blah, blah, yawn, ouch, blah, blah. No. I'm talking about the history forms that insurance, insulin, OTC, OCT, hernia like dandia, and gallbladder. Only the rich need a cholecystectomy. My favorite is psychological eye drops.
1 minute.
Yep. And we are waiting to hear all your funny ones. So we keep that journal. Now here in my journal, I realized that the story of Rama lives on. Go to the bank, ek Raja Ram, bija bada Vandra. Come to my hospital, Raja Ram, mara staff Vandra. But go home, the elder is Raja Ram, we are all bandars. So now there's magic in the now, do it. My daughter and I dove from 24,000 feet from the plane, lived to tell about it. Buy your wife that ring, do the course in statistics, buy that fundus camera or Okta, even though Madhuben says no. Mukesh, gratitude can be a way to live. We are healthcare professionals. We can make a difference to people who are less fortunate than us. Let us keep up the good work. Comments, philosophy is welcome. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And one last warning. Hindi ma kaho, because it's the national language, I don't want any misunderstanding. जाने अनजाने में छोटी बड़ी गलती हुई हो तो उनको माफ करना. मुकेश और जगदीप को बहुत नादान बच्चे हैं. Okay? Bye-bye. Have fun.
Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderfully funny introduction to this meeting. You set the tone with a lively and lovely talk. And I would like to ask you, with your permission, I can inform the viewers who don't know that you have come out of your cancer treatment successfully recently, and yet you find ways and means to see humor in everything. How is that possible? How do you make that happen?
Oh, there's something called denial. It's very easy in the Indian mindset. Look at COVID. Aren't we in denial as a nation? It doesn't come, go, corona, go. So it was go, cancer, go. Okay. Thank you for the lovely introduction. Please carry on with the meeting. I'll be very happy with any comments or catching up at the end.
Suketu wants to ask a question.
Madam, one more question.
Yeah.
You were the first VR surgeon in Baroda that we come to know now, and but you decided to carve a different path for yourself by not joining the rat race. Why so?
I didn't want a busy life and I wanted to follow my heart. So I decided I needed something that would make my adrenaline spike. So the slide where I showed right after my chemo, when we were to jump out of the plane, and I asked the jump master, he's done 10,000 jumps. I said, why do you do it? So he said, that rush of adrenaline, did you feel that? I do it for that. Do you understand that? Would you like to do it again? And mara manma, I thought, beta, एक one-eyed બાળકનો GRT OT માં લે ને તો you will know what a rush of adrenaline. This was child's play. Love it.
Lovely. Thank you, ma'am, so much for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
And we'll like to move on to the next speaker.